Hello, and welcome to Holy Trinity Community United Church of Christ, where no matter who you are or where you are on life's journey, you are always welcome here. My name is Pastor Rob, and I am the pastor and teacher at Holy Trinity Community Church United Church of Christ, which you can find online at holytrinitymemphis.org to learn more about our historic faith community. What's important for me to tell you today is that our unique experience with the gospel at this church is for all people, straight, gay, bisexual, transgender, and every other location on the gender spectrum. It doesn't matter who you are or how you choose to identify yourself, you are loved by God. That is the bedrock of our belief. Together, united in our faith, we are called to reach out and proclaim God's unending love for all people, to embrace the Beatitudes and to work tirelessly for the new heaven and the new earth, a better world for all that our Holy Scriptures call on us to bring about. The dream of God, peace and justice flowing like a river as revealed through Jesus for the love of all the world. If you are looking for a faith community who is going to honor you for who you are and openly accept you with the love of Christ, then Holy Trinity Community United Church of Christ may be that church for you. So look us up at holytrinitymemphis.org to learn more about our historic faith community. Holy Trinity Community Church. Together, we are the difference. Holy Trinity Community Church. Church is the last place you should catch hell. Holy Trinity Community Church. Jesus didn't turn people away, and neither do we. Happy Pride, everybody. Love yourself.